Welcome to KPAR Tech. Today I will show you how to find your ASUS laptop model name. So let we start. Step 1. Press Window plus R. Step 2. Type MSINFO32. Step 3. Press Enter. Then you will see system model. Like my laptop model is VivoBook Asus Laptop X1605 VA X165 VA. You can also see more information about your laptop like system type, manufacturer, name, generation,